Hey, what's up everybody? Gene with Dent Repair Now, holding a Keco glue pull repair training event here in Pittsburgh at Dent Repair Now. I wanted to jump in the group here and show you guys what a live training is like. I'm sure it's pretty loud. We've got everybody hammering. We're in day two, so day two is all hands-on for the attendees. We're working on door dings and small dents, creases and rail dents, and big smashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera around and show you what's going on. Hey, what's up, Jordan Fisher? How are you? Morning, Rodney. So we've got Simon and Tim in from Rochester. Morning, Daniel. Doing some glue pull repair training for body techs, showing these guys what is possible with glue pull repair technology. Hey, Crystal, how are you? So we got Simon as a 2-year body tech. What do you think, Simon? How's it? How you learning some stuff? Yeah, good deal. And then we got Tim as, what are you, 16, 17-year tech? Perfect, good deal. Hey, we got Brock Berkey. Everybody heard from Brock before he came out. Over on station 2, we've got Ryan and Jeremy. Ryan's playing with some crease killer action. Gave him some good creases on this Jeep Liberty door today. Ryan, what are you thinking so far?
It's a learning curve.
Right? But it works, right? It's,
for sure.
Yeah, good deal. Coming over, we got Jeremy going down here. Jeremy wanted to learn some rail dents. How you making out, Jeremy?
Good. I like it.
Good. And then we've got a handful of PDR guys in. We've got Dave Fisher, Don Dorsey, 2 PDR guys, and we've got James, who is a bumper repair tech, learning some glue pull repair to make things go a little smoother. This is our big smash door. Morning, Ben. So I'm sure it's loud and a little bit hard to listen and watch. I just wanted to give you a peek behind the scenes of what it's like at a Keco training event. Lots of hands-on action for these guys. They're already making great strides with hitting day 2 of training here. Hey, what's up, Vicente? All right, thanks for watching, everybody. We'll check you later. Ola. All right, we'll see you guys later.